One day far in the future, our sun will stop shining as it does now and become a white dwarf, but that's not even the most dramatic part of its story. Long before that final transformation, the sun will swell into a massive red giant, growing so large it will scorch the earth and set off an apocalyptic scenario. Think of it as our own cosmic version of Ragnarok, the fiery end of the world from Norse mythology. The good news? This won't happen for another 5 to 7 billion years. The bad news? Life on Earth will struggle much sooner. Scientists believe most complex life will vanish within the next 250 million years. There's even a small chance that, after humans are gone, creatures like octopuses could dominate the planet. Even without human pollution, nature has always reshaped life on Earth. Our planet has already faced 5 mass extinctions, the most famous one wiping out the dinosaurs 65 million years ago. Each time, life found a way to evolve into new forms. The next global extinction might arrive in a couple of 100 million years, when carbon dioxide levels double and temperatures soar. Rising solar radiation will make Earth unbearably hot, with temperatures reaching over 100 degrees Fahrenheit almost everywhere, and continents merging into one massive supercontinent. Humid regions will feel even hotter. Walking outside might become impossible. Hopefully, by then, humanity will have found other planets to call home. As the sun continues to brighten, oxygen in the atmosphere will drop dramatically. Within about a billion years, Earth could look as lifeless as it did billions of years ago, before the Great Oxidation Event. Back then, the air was full of methane and carbon dioxide, and the only inhabitants were simple bacteria that slowly produced oxygen over eons. We might end up back at square one. Humans would not survive in this environment, but some creatures from the ocean's depths might adapt and take over, perhaps even octopuses. Octopuses are fascinating candidates for the next rulers of Earth. They're highly intelligent, can use tools, and even escape captivity to explore their surroundings. Their intelligence is unique, not like ours, but more distributed, with neurons spread throughout their arms. Their bodies are flexible, letting them squeeze through tight spaces, and they can interact with their environment with incredible precision. However, they face a challenge: they are naturally solitary and don't pass knowledge to their offspring, since both parents die after reproduction. This lack of social structure makes building a civilization difficult, but who knows, maybe evolution will push them toward more social behavior. Some species are already showing signs of living in groups. If humans don't wipe them out first, they might just have a chance to inherit the planet. But even if octopuses build underwater cities, their reign wouldn't last forever. The sun will eventually leave its stable phase, running out of hydrogen in its core. The core will contract, heat up, and begin fusing helium into heavier elements. At this stage, the sun will expand into a red giant so large that it could engulf Mercury, Venus, and possibly Earth. Whether Earth is swallowed whole or just scorched, life as we know it will end. Eventually, the sun will shed its outer layers, leaving behind a small but incredibly dense white dwarf star. Its former layers will form a glowing planetary nebula, and our solar system will be almost unrecognizable. It sounds grim, but there's no need to panic. All of this is billions of years away. Humanity has only existed for a tiny fraction of Earth's history. If we've come this far in just 40,000 years, who knows what we might achieve in a million, or even a billion years? For now, the best thing to do is enjoy the sun while it's still shining at its best, maybe with some sunscreen.